आपसे इजाज़त चाहूँगा। मेरी जो बच्चियाँ सामने बैठी हैं वो एक एक मिनट की उनकी स्पीच है, आप सुने ताकि इंग्लिश प्रोनाउंसिएशन जो है कैसा होगा। सादिया और हुमैरा यहाँ पर
वो दाना इसबुल मौलाए कुल खत्मुर रसूल, जिसने गुबारे राह को बख्शा फरोगे वादी सीना। निगाहे इश्क मस्ती में वही अव्वल वही आखिर, वही कुरान वही फुरकान वही यासीन वही तोहा। अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू and a very good morning to all of you. I am Sadia Khan. First of all, I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to Hajipura School for providing us a wonderful platform enlightening our dance and develop our personalities. Today, I am going to present a speech about Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Ladies and gentlemen, there was a time when world was engulfed in the darkness of ignorance, when corruption and oppression were rampant across the globe, when bloodshed was widespread, when a human being was not considered a human being. There was a time when stealing, injuring and even murdering people who are not considered evil at all, when women were considered a burden on society, when girls were buried as soon as they were born. The world was shackled with ignorance, injustice and inequality. The world was dragging itself towards annihilation, and then came the light from the heaven, the light of divine guidance, the infinite light to save this world from darkness and eradicate ignorance, the noble and the generous, the truthful and the trustworthy. Then came our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. The Lord said, we have sent you.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to Al Wahid channel.